after we've created the email notification, you now have the ability to upload content. So this is where we have the ability to go over on the left-hand rail, click on content. And once in content, you'll see you have the options to upload PowerPoint slides in both a PPT or PPTX file, in addition to videos to broadcast during your live or pre-recorded live event. It's very simple. You're going to click here to upload. You're going to be able to grab your slideshow. You're going to go ahead and click open. Now, you need to stay on this page until it finishes uploading, or else there'll be a file error type that comes up. It will convert these slides into the platform, and once your screen in a little bit here, as of right now, says you can leave this page while the slides are being converted, it's going to do the conversion. It's uploading to the cloud into the webinar.net platform, including all animations, etc. At the same time, we can also upload videos. So in this case, we can go ahead and click upload video. You'll see we have an accelerate video. You'll have the ability to do the same thing. Click upload. It is now uploading to the cloud. Depending on how large of your file size, it may take a little longer, especially PowerPoints. The good news is I think it has the capacity to go up to over almost 500 gigs. I mean, we're not asking you guys to upload gigantic, movies into this platform, but it's going to be going. As you can see, we already have an update that the slides are updated and ready to go. If you need to upload additional slides and or additional one PowerPoint slide, I always get this situation where, I need to modify this one slide. You necessarily don't have to remove and edit the entire deck. We can actually hide slides in the platform, and I'll show you that later on. But you could upload as many different PowerPoints, as you require, whether it's one slide or multiple slides. In addition, we could also upload additional videos. And so in this example here, you see that both our PowerPoints and our videos are fully loaded.